Now we're going to practice writing a quadratic function in vertex form when we're given a vertex and another point that our graph goes through. So here are the steps to writing this function. First, we're going to write what vertex form looks like using h, k, and a. Then we're going to plug in the vertex that we're given, and we're going to plug in the other point that we're given. We'll solve for our value of a, and then we're going to rewrite in vertex form using that value of a. So in example number 1, we have a vertex of 2, -3, and we go through the point 4, -11. Now, here's our vertex form. Y equals a times x minus h squared plus k. My vertex is my h and k. The other point that we're going through, that's going to be x and y. And the only thing we don't know is a. That's what we're going to be solving for at the beginning. So I'm going to substitute h, k, x, and y in this equation, and I'm going to keep my a. So my y value is -11, so I'm starting with -11 equals a times my x value is 4 minus my h value, which is 2, squared, plus k, which is -3. And now we're going to simplify until a is all by itself. I'm going to start by adding 3 to both sides. -11 plus 3 is -8. That is equal to a, and I'm going to go ahead and simplify the parentheses. So 4 minus 2 is 2 squared. Now we have -8 equals 2 squared is 4a, and we can divide by 4, so a is -2. Now when we're going to put all of this back into our original vertex form, we're going to keep x and y as just x and y in our equation. We're going to substitute a, h, and k. So our equation ends up being y equals -2 times x minus 2 squared minus 3. And there is our equation in vertex form. Here's another example. Our vertex is at 0, 3, that's our h and k. We're going through the point 6, 6, that's x and y. We need to start by solving for a. Y is 6 equals a times x is 6 minus h, which is 0, squared, plus k, which is 3. I'm going to subtract 3, so 3 equals a times 0 minus 6 is 6 squared, so 3 equals 36a. When we divide by 36, 3 over 36 reduces to 1 over 12, so our value of a is 1 over 12. Now when we write our equation, x and y are going to be written as x and y. We're plugging in a, h, and k. So y equals a times x minus h squared plus k. Now x minus 0, or anything minus 0, is that thing. So to make this as simplified as possible, I'm just going to write this as x squared instead of x minus 0 squared. So then this is our equation in vertex form.